Let's solve question 27 of 2024 Waec Mathematics. The question says the number 1621 was subtracted from 6244 in base x. If the result was 4323, find the value of x. So this is a number-based question. Let's simplify this. We have that 6244 in base x subtracts 1621 in base x, and the result will give us 4323. If you operate in base x, of course, the solution will also be in base x. Now, you know how to simplify, expand a number base. We are going to use our base to expand everything completely. So x times 6 will give us 6x. X times 2 will give us 2x, plus x times 4 will give us 4x. X times 4 again, we have 4x. Then you assign your indices from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then over here, minus, open a bracket, because whatever you want to do now, this minus will affect it. So we use bracket to affect all the operations. So 1 times x will give us x. X times 6 will give us 6x. Then x times 2 will give us 2x. X times 1 will give us x. Assign your indices again from 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Equal to, we do the same thing here. 4 times x, we have 4x. 3 times x, 3x. 2 times x, 2x. 3 times x, 3x. Assign your indices 0, 1, 2, 3. The indices are assigned on the base. Now let's simplify completely. I'll bring down here 6x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. You know, x raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 4, 4. Then minus, this minus will multiply everything in this bracket. Now minus times x cubed will give me minus x cubed. Minus times 6x squared minus 6x squared. Minus times 2x minus 2x. Minus times here minus 1. X raised to power 0 is 1. That's why we have minus 1. Equals, bring down everything, 4x cubed, 3x squared, 2x plus 3. X raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 3, 3. Now let's simplify collecting like terms. 6x cubed, we subtract x cubed. We have 5x cubed. 2x squared will subtract 6x squared. We have minus 4x squared. 4x will minus 2x. We have 2x. Then 4 minus 1 will give us 3. Equals, over here, 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then let's collect like terms. This guy will come over here. I will have 5x cubed minus 4x cubed, right? Bringing it over to this collecting like terms. We have minus 4x squared. Bring this one over. It becomes minus 3x squared. The next is 2x plus 2x. Bring 2x over. You have minus 2x. The next is 3 plus 3. Bring this one over, minus 3, all equal to 0. I've transferred everything to the left hand side. So the next thing I want to do is subtract. 5x cubed minus 4x cubed will give me x cubed. Then minus 4 squared, 4x squared minus 3x squared minus 7x squared. 2x minus 2x is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So all we have is this. So let's factorize here and simplify. X squared is common. I'll bring x squared outside, okay? So that we now have x minus 7 equals 0. That means x squared is equal to 0. X squared is equal to 0. Then the bracket is also equal to 0. X minus 7 equals 0. Now from here, x squared equal to 0 means that x could be 0. Then that is taking the square root of the both sides. If I take square root here, I have x. Take square root of 0, you have 0. Now over here, make x the subject, we are taking minus 7 over to the other side. That means we have x equals 7. All right. Now remember the question says find the value of x. So x has to be a number from 1 to 9. From 1 to 9 because from 1 to 16, because the basis of numbers run from 1 to 16. All right. So that means 0 is not a base. The answer is 7. The answer is 7. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting math tutorial. Meet you in my next upload. Bye.